If you're looking for an online platform that offers something that's really close to a job, then Oneforma falls in that category of platforms that offers something that's really close to a job. The other websites in this category are Toulouse International, Data-Annotation.tech, Outlier, and we have discussed all these platforms, reviewed them, showed you how you can get access to them. All these videos are available in our homepage. What makes opening a Oneforma account look like actually getting a normalish job? Number one, the jobs that they have on this website are largely project-based jobs. This means that when you sign up to the website, you pick one specific project that you want to get onboarded to. You get onboarded to this project. For example, there may be a project by Google that involves annotating maps, data maps. When you sign up to Oneforma, you specifically choose such a project like the one by Google, annotate Google Maps. And once you're onboarded to that particular project, it's a long-term job. You can be in the project for a year, for 2 years even, depending on your performance once you're onboarded to the project. The other thing about this particular website that makes it really look like a normalish day-to-day job is the fact that they usually pay per hour. Most of the time, it's around $10 per hour. If you do some quick math, $10 an hour, 8 hours a day, that's $80 a day. Around 20 to 30 days a month, that comes to around at least $1,000 and above. If you're looking for consistent work and if you want to earn above $1,000 a month, then this video I'm going to show you step by step and how to apply and open
what
a
happened is
Oneforma
that
account.
while I was recording this section, we had a bit of an audio kerfuffle, but here's the gist of it. What you need is an anti-detect browser. In this case, it's multi-login, and the other thing you need is a proxy. In this case, Node Maven. On the specifics on how to set this up, check the first link in the description. It includes details, specifics on how to set this up. Now let's go straight to how you can open that Oneforma account.
What I'm going to do, I'm just going to go straight to Oneforma. I get onto Oneforma, I'm just going to click on join Oneforma because I definitely want to join. I want to start making that sweet $1,000 a month. Perfect. I'll ask you about the personal details. I'm just going to use a mockup here. I'm just going to generate a random email account. For those who are curious, I'm using a feature of iCloud called Hide My Email. So I can generate many emails from it with just the one email address. Then all your emails are forwarded to that one email address. For my country of residence, I'm going to choose United States of America. For my city of residence, I'm going to choose Atlanta. One important thing when picking out the residency, the city of residence, make sure you pick a state where the minimum wage is low enough, because most of these jobs, they're usually at around $10 per hour. To conform with the regulations in different states, the jobs are not available to everyone. They're just available in US states where the minimum wage is $10, around that area there, $8 to $10 an hour. I'm just going to pick that, then click on next. I'll want me to choose my native language, English US. Here you can choose anything. Choose maps, minimum of 5. Doesn't really matter, you can just choose anything, because in the end you'll have the opportunity to apply to any job you want. Then you can upload your resume, but this is optional. I'm just going to leave it like that. Terms and conditions, damn it, god damn it. I'm going to type in your signature. I'm just going to write it out here to show that I agree with all these things. I also agree to whatever this is. I definitely agree. I permanently agree. I definitely am a human being. Damn it, AI. This, and this. I just go back to my email. It is telling me how I am really welcome to Oneforma. I'm just going to click here and confirm my account right away without wasting any more time. Oh, damn it. I'm human, you damn people. I'm human already. I need my email. I need to get my email, log in. As I told you, opening an Oneforma account is a lot like finding a job. See, after doing that, just create it. Simple. Then, depending on your IP, your location, they're going to show you a bunch of jobs that are available. For example, there are 10 different data collection jobs. They require you to record the audio, some they require you to record video, some just take photos. Those are 10. There are also others on judging and grading. These are mostly training large language models. You can see there's this music personalization. This one I know is by Apple actually. And what you do is that they give you snippets of music from Apple Music and you grade it. They're in different languages. This one is the one that's from Apple. I've actually done this project in the past. There's this one, Milky Way Maps. This is also another project. It's the same as Lightspeed. These two projects are from Google. One is to improve Google search engine. This other one is for maps. It's available in Spanish or it's available in English. Now, there are a lot of translation jobs, but I don't think these are going to help you. The problem with these translation jobs is you must either know French, either know German, either know Portuguese. So it's really hard to get an opportunity there. There are also testing jobs. This one, you can definitely try it. The good thing with Oneforma is that you can be in multiple projects at once. It just depends with your hunger. It just depends with whether or not you're able to pass the onboarding exercise. There's also this one. This one is perfect, UHRS. You remember there's a video that I discussed some time back. It was about opening a Clickwalker account, opening a UHRS account. Again, you can ditch if they're giving you trouble, if they're giving you problem, and you can access these UHRS jobs. They're like tiny jobs. You're saying whether a tweet has head speech or not. You're grading whether something is better than the other. Just simple tasks. This UHRS is a platform by Microsoft, but you can't access it directly. You either have to access it either using such platforms like Oneforma, or you can access it using Clickwalker. So if Clickwalker is giving you trouble, this is another simple way to access UHRS. Now, personally, I'm going to highlight the jobs that I think are worth your time. This UHRS, not really that worth your time because it pays small amounts of money. You can just do it as a quick way to just get started, to fill in the time if the other projects don't have jobs. The one that I primarily want you to focus on are these judging and grading tasks. As I told you, what happens is, specifically, I want you to try this AMP project about app and music grading. You know, this project is by Apple and it pays at least $10 an hour. Then there are these two particular jobs. You can see they pay $14 an hour. They pay $14 an hour. These are projects through Oneforma, but by Google. If you apply to Project Lightspeed, you'll be working on TriData platform, which is basically a Google platform that you label data that will be used to make Google search and the Google Play Store perfect. Milky Way, again, $14 an hour. What you'll be doing is mostly will be data labeling, map data that will be used to improve Google Maps. So these are like awesome jobs. If you manage to get into them, you know, $14 an hour, definitely you're earning more than $1,000 a month. Let's just go through this project super quickly. They're opening this ping. It's an Apple project. It needs an Apple ID. It needs an iOS device. Perfect. You get paid $9 an hour. Easy peasy. As I was saying, one project on Oneforma that's really cool. Done it in the past. It's fantastic. Is Project Lightspeed, which is basically under the Milky Way project. The Milky Way project is basically a project by Google through Oneforma. What you do is you'll be annotating Google Maps to make it perfect for users. What happens is the moment you click apply, the project tasks under certification and service, you'll find that there are exams related to the project here, and you can just start doing them after you go over the course material. Now, let me just show you a sample of what to expect from the Milky Way project. There are a bunch of study materials here that I saved. Again, link is in the description, and you'll find that questions are like this. You're told a user searched something like this, and this has been classified as a pharmacy. Now your goal is to go to Google, search and confirm that's indeed a pharmacy, and you click yes, it is a pharmacy. Just simple such type of questions. Now these are the questions you will get within the exam. And if you are to go up here, this is exactly what to expect. You'll be given a result. You have to see whether it's correct or it's not correct. Don't worry, before the exam, you'll have time to go over all the study material. Then you choose whether to do the exam or not. But if you just want to know whether it is for you or not, check out the link in the description below for all this material that I recorded while I was studying for the exam. There is, however, one common error that you will find as you try to apply for this Oneforma jobs. You find that when you click apply, you're told you cannot apply because of fraud or something of the sort. What you need to do is realize that these jobs are available in many countries. So if for some reason you're using a proxy from Lord Marvin, you're using multi-login, and it's still not working, just change the country. Try out UK is a good one to try out, or any of these countries over here. Just be sure to confirm that you have a phone number that you can use to verify that belongs to these particular countries, because they'll ask for phone number verification. If you have trouble with phone number verification, finding a number, again, link in the description below to our mini course. It will tell you all about how to get any phone number you might want for verification purposes. Another question I get is largely about payment. There are two ways you can receive payment: Pioneer, PayPal. If you want to learn how to set up your PayPal, set up your Pioneer so that it accepts payment even if you live outside the English-speaking countries, then once more, I've dealt with all that in my mini course, link in the description below. But it's basically straightforward. You'll receive your payment if it's below $300 via PayPal. If it's above $300, then you'll receive it via Pioneer. Simple stuff. Usually, when Oneforma send the payment, they'll send the payment to the name Edge. Like this was, for example, $136 just when I was starting out. It's easy. It pays. If you're looking for a long-term job, something that can pay over $1,000, then don't hold back. This may be the platform to you. Link to a course that will explain everything. It is free, by the way, in the description below. Happy online hustling.